240 horsepower from a plug-in hybrid that costs less than a Toyota RAV4. Let me say that again. 240 horses, 42 miles of pure electric range, all for around 40,000 Swiss francs. That's the new Ford Kuga plug-in hybrid, and it breaks every rule about what you're supposed to get at this price. Here's what nobody talks about. Most plug-in hybrids feel like compromises. Weak electric motors, tiny batteries, disappointing performance. The Kuga plug-in hybrid has a 14.4 kilowatt-hour battery paired with a 2.5-liter engine. It moves like it has something to prove. 0 to 60 in 7.3 seconds. That's quicker than most gas-powered family SUVs, and when you're running on electric power alone, it's dead silent. No engine drone, no vibration, just smooth, instant torque that makes city driving feel effortless. But here's the part that actually matters. 42 miles of electric range means your daily commute happens on zero fuel. School runs, grocery trips, commuting to work. All electric, all silent, all basically free. Then when you need to go further, the gas engine kicks in so seamlessly you won't even notice. No range anxiety, no planning, no stress. The numbers look even better when you dig in. 23 grams per kilometer of carbon dioxide emissions. That's lower than most compact cars. And this is a full-size SUV with 581 liters of boot space. Enough for a family of 5 and all their gear. The charging is dead simple. 3.5 hours from a 7-kilowatt home charger, or you can use a regular plug overnight. Either way, you wake up with a full battery ready to go. Inside, Ford finally caught up. 13.2-inch touchscreen running Sync 4, digital instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The ST Line X trim adds sport seats, panoramic roof, and 19-inch wheels. It's not trying to be fancy, it's trying to be smart. Here's what most reviews won't mention. The Kuga handles better than it has any right to. Minimal body roll, direct steering, tight cornering. This is still a Ford underneath all the hybrid tech, and that means it's actually engaging to drive. The CVT transmission is smooth and refined. The battery sits low between the axles for better weight distribution. Even loaded with passengers and luggage, it stays composed. Europe's best-selling plug-in hybrid for 3 years running. That's not marketing, that's proof. People who actually live with this car keep choosing it over everything else. So yeah, if you want electric efficiency without electric anxiety, this is it. Not the longest range, not the most exciting, just the smartest plug-in hybrid you can buy right now. Next time we're looking at something way different. A budget electric SUV that somehow punches way above its price tag. Trust me, you'll want to see this one. Drop a comment. Would you go plug-in hybrid or wait for full electric? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.